The world. The world is the world. But it is as it is within me can be my advantage to not be delusional and not know what's going on around me and not constantly fussing and being miserable about it, and let it foster in my soul until I am sick and perform sick onto others. Nah, I prefer to dance in the rain and handle what I can handle at my level that I choose to. How I respond internally is where our true power lies. Choosing not to be delusional means seeing things as they are, without sugarcoating or denial, but also without letting negativity consume this body. The art of letting go. It's easy to get caught up in the endless cycles of worry and frustration about things beyond our control. But letting those feelings foster in the soul only leads to more suffering, both for ourselves and those around us. So I'm trying to advocate for a kind of mindful acceptance. I think acknowledging what is happening, but not letting it dictate the inner peace. Dancing in the rain. Beautiful. Some say you need to be serious all the time. But it's about finding moments of joy and agency even when circumstances aren't perfect. It's about handling what you can at your own pace, is what I'm trying to learn. And choosing where to invest this energy. Living at my level, my own personal level, there's wisdom and focusing on what's within my reach. By doing so, it cultivates the resilience and avoid the trap of helplessness or bitterness. It's not about ignoring reality. It's about engaging with it on my own terms. So the approach is a recipe for personal well-being and positive influence by refusing to be consumed by negativity and by choosing to dance in the rain. You create space for growth, joy, and an authentic living, even in the storm. Dancing in the rain.